I recently moved into this rented, very old and shabby house for a few months. It has many problems, but the most annoying is that with both toilets, the plastic seat does not stay up. I have no room to move the water tank closer to the wall. I tried playing with the screws to change an angle, but nothing worked. So, like many times before, I went and made something with my computer and 3D printer. I call it the toilet catcher. Shove it here. With a flat screwdriver, you need to place the lid on the water tank to open it. Then need to close the lid. I can even move the seat up with my foot.